This message is for the city of Tampa. We only had like an hour's worth of rain, and we are already beginning to flood. True enough, we did have rain yesterday, but today we had a major rain for about an hour and a half or hour or so, and it was really heavy. And so the city of Tampa, Brandon, Riverview, and all the surrounding areas, I urge you before the hurricane season gets into full swing to go around and assess the neighborhoods for flooding and see what it is that's going on. So that way you know what it is that you need to do and prepare for the storms that are to come. Because at this rate, look at all that water. Look at all that water, man. We're flooded. And this is just from an hour. An hour worth of rain. Y'all see how deep those tires are? This is from an hour worth of rain. And we're wading in the water. Like, look at that. Look at that. Like, right now is the time for us to be proactive instead of reactive. Because if we're at a point where we're reacting, we're already too late. We're already too late. So we need to make sure that we are putting the right infrastructure in play. Like, if this can happen from a subtle rain, you know, like an hour worth of rain just pummeled us. And I went down 441 and it's worse. So it's not just, you know, restricted to the area. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that water. This doesn't make any sense. Like, we're wading in the water. So, city of Tampa, take this as your wake-up call. I urge you. Look, it gets deeper here. It gets deeper. Like, look. I urge you. Thank God I'm in a truck. I urge you to come out and surveil the city after this rain. So that way we can be better prepared for the hurricane season. When things like this happens, it just gives us enough time to get prepared for what is to come. So if this is an indicator of what's to come, then we're not ready. By no means are we ready. So it's like we riding down slides at Adventure Island. We just wading in water, wade in the water, wade in the water, children, wade in the water. I'm telling you. Don't say I ain't told you something.